Guys, the big news is here, and it is the news I've been waiting for all day. I'm absolutely speechless. I have no words. I'm absolutely lost for words. But I'm a fully official funded trader. Check out the certificate. Shout out to Aquafunding. We finally did it. Phase 2 complete. 3 years of learning, 3 years of studying, 3 years of hard work and determination. The ups and the lows. All I can say is you have to stick at it, and it will come. Massive thank you to everyone in my Telegram, in the community, that have supported me and backed me. They've followed my trades, and we have finally got there together. You know who you are. Jumping straight into the trade today. I needed just one more pip, but I still stuck to the plan, and I stuck to the structure that I followed. On gold today, you can see the resistance forming here and a support forming here. Plan was to wait for a closure outside of the range, and as you can see on this candle, it was the first candle to close in hours and hours. With this clean range to the left hand side, it was inevitable that we were going to make a downwards move in the market. How do we identify our entry? We have to wait for the previous wick to be broken. Once that wick was broken, that is where we entered the trade. I got my 1 pip, phase 2 was passed. Nevertheless, the team was still in the trade. We still had some more clean range to fill, and we've got a total of 15 pips, making it an over 1% day for the Telegram group. Making that a wrap. Thank you so much again for everyone that has continued to support me. I'm really excited to get going. If you want to join the Telegram group, completely free, the link is in my bio. It's not going to be free forever, so join the team now. Lastly, if you like this content, please leave a like, subscribe and follow for more.